All right, so now we're getting into the basement. Some basements are going to be finished, some aren't. This basement we're in right here is finished. So it's very important. You want to open up every single door, even if you think it's a closet. I mean, the whole house. You want to look in everywhere. You don't want to miss something. You know, there might be a laundry room or a bathroom or something that you totally forgot about. The worst feeling is when you get home and you're saying, oh, what was in that corner? So, you know, you get down to the basement. You do a general assessment of the area, open up all the doors, kind of mentally mark it out where the water meter is, where the electric is, where the plumbing is. I mean, real quickly, I open that up there. I know the water meter's over there. I know the electric's there. There's some stuff in front of the electric, and then the heating and the water heater's in this room. So now, mentally, if I know something's blocking the electric panel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to the agent or the client and let them know, hey, you know, this I'll probably be able to get to, no problem. But if there was something bigger in the way that was going to stop me from getting to the electric panel, I'll let them know right now so they could either work on getting it fixed or maybe have the homeowners move it while we're there, or they at least know that we're not going to get to, you know, we're not going to be able to inspect it. So once I do my general assessment, then I kind of just do the same thing I do the whole rest of the house. I start in a corner and I basically work that way.